Whoa, so top of the morning to you. Last day here in Costa Rica. I told you guys this was a short trip. I actually stayed here last night in one of these yurts. You're gonna see all the epic drone footage I got last night. And this is the Rise project. It's about an 800-acre property. I believe there's lots of tree plantings here, community being built. Obviously you can already come and stay in yurts and hang out around the fire pit like we did last night. And you guys gotta check out this crazy mandala garden. Hold tight, I'm gonna get David.
Hi everyone, my name is David Comfort and I'm the founder of Rise Costa Rica here in Perez Zeledon. And we've been working hard here on the property for, I guess, 5 years now. And it started off by really a reforesting of a lot of areas, planting lots of fruit trees and gardens. And what's emerged out of that is a community. And right now, that community is being populated by families that want a greater connection with nature, connection with each other, a wonderful school that nurtures our children's creative capacity, a co-working space for us to run our businesses and enjoy all that success. And so that's what we've been attracting from families from all over the world that desire a lifestyle that's a little more simple, but lacking in nothing. And it's just such a treat to see it happening and unfolding, blooming, I guess I should say, in this moment in time. One of the other hobby businesses that we started down here is called kombucha culture. And actually you could see it right here. Whoa. And this was a business that I actually started just because I wanted alternative beverage opportunities here in Costa Rica. And it's turned into a nationally thriving business and one that actually is gonna go global this year. And it's been so much fun because we actually grow the primary ingredients for kombucha culture right here on the property. Turmeric, ginger, butterfly pea flower, hibiscus, all of it's grown here. And so when we talk about having organic, local ingredients in what you're drinking, it's literally grown 100 yards from where we're actually producing it. And that allows us to produce the most amazing kombucha on the planet. And I hope you guys will get a chance to try it because it's out of this world. So sometimes, there's just divine timing, and we happen to be filming this one day after we launched sales of the first 53 residences here at Rise. And when I talk to families about what the experience and what this means for them, I talk about it being literally the highest leverage move they can make in their life. And I say that because you can have all of the things that you most desire here, amazing education in our on-site school, a co-working space that supports your business goals, 60 to 70% lower cost of living, a beautiful climate, organic food, all of these things, a community that cares about each other for far less than you can have it in the United States. And what that actually does for me and for our family, and I'm already seeing it with others, it brings ease to your life. And if you have children, you know that family life can sometimes be a little hectic. But imagine coming and living in a place where all your needs as a family are supported, and the incredible liberation and freeing up of energy that allows you to be creative in your business life, in your personal life, in the things you want to explore and discover. And one of the real gifts of this project has been for me, has been a reconnection with the joy of discovery, that childlike joy of discovery, trying new things. Some of them work, some of them don't, but it's lifelong learning, and what better way to model for our children this incredible capacity of what life has to offer by, as adults, continuing to learn, continuing to try, continuing to discover. It's just a real joy. And to do that with the ease and liberation that you get here living in Costa Rica. So one of the things I really love about the location of this property is that it's in a mountain valley here in Costa Rica. It's about 3 hours south of San Jose and at an elevation of 2,500 feet. So it's cooler, has abundant water, and it's just a lot more loving environment for long-term living. And you can actually come and check it out on your own here because we have a well-being retreat called Kinkara. And Kinkara was built out of a garden. We created a beautiful mandala garden, and all of a sudden we were thinking, well, what can we do with this? And so we created a glamping community around it and put in areas for restaurant and lounge, and it became a hospitality property that everyone can now come and enjoy. So you can drive here over the Cerro de la Muerte, which is a beautiful mountain road. You can come along the coast, or you can even fly right into this valley. So come check us out at kinkara.com and book a stay here, because it's really amazing. And whether you want to do a well-being retreat or just a personal relaxation experience, we can accommodate all of that.
Awesome work, David. Keep pounding dirt, man.
Whoa, so Rise did not disappoint. You guys can see there's some yurts over here behind me, and been staying in a house the last couple of nights, an Airbnb here in Costa Rica. We actually rented it for last night, but David offered for us to stay here, and I was a little bit nervous, I gotta be honest with you. I like sleeping with the fan on. I like it cold when I sleep, and I didn't think I'd even be able to sleep. I thought it would be too hot. Electric fans inside of the yurt, windows all open up. I actually woke up freezing. I had to put a double blanket on, so very, very comfortable here in the mountains. The climate is unreal. As you can tell, no lack of view shed here. Really enjoyed the site. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you're in Costa Rica and you want the full-on experience, be sure to come check out Rise. Wait, most importantly, pound dirt.